Consider this. Millions of microscopic cleanup squads are working hard within your body right now. They repair damage, eliminate waste, burn extra fat, and even eliminate harmful cells before they become ill. Doesn't that sound like science fiction? However, it's a real innovation that dramatically changed our understanding of health and aging, and won numerous Japanese scientists the Nobel Prize. This is the unexpected part. The majority of individuals are unaware that this mechanism even exists, much less how to activate it. In actuality, a lot of us unintentionally shut it down every day through seemingly innocuous activities. According to Dr. Yoshinori Ohsumi's groundbreaking study, your body enters repair mode when you trigger this process, known as autophagy, which reverses age symptoms, melts stubborn fat, and strengthens your body's defenses against illness. The problem is that this cellular cleanup team either shuts down entirely or goes into high gear for a brief period of time every day. I'll go over the precise daily schedule that 5 renowned Japanese scientists suggest in a few minutes to activate this mechanism. I'll also share the one easy morning routine that Dr. Shina believes has helped Japanese leaders outlive the rest of the world by decades. First, though, we must challenge all of your preconceived notions about health. Your body's natural reset button is called autophagy. Your cells can function like new again, using a natural cleaning technique that removes outdated and damaged components. Consider autophagy as your body's maintenance team. In order to make place for stronger, healthier cells, it breaks down and eliminates old, worn-out components. Nobel Prize-winning scientist Dr. Yoshinori Ohsumi discovered that when you fast or put your body under physical stress, this process intensifies. In addition to aiding in self-repair, autophagy promotes a healthy weight and reduces the chance of illnesses like cancer. Dr. Yoshinori Ohsumi stated that autophagy is the essential mechanism that keeps our cells alive. In his Nobel Prize address, this is why it's so important for preserving the body's equilibrium, energy, and strength. Dr. Ohsumi further stressed the importance of collaboration and knowledge sharing in the advancement of science. Inspired by his groundbreaking research, numerous scientists have since investigated the practical applications of autophagy to enhance longevity and health. Nowadays, autophagy is well acknowledged for its role in preventing cancer, delaying aging, promoting brain function, and maintaining a robust immune system. The key to long-term health is to take care of your body's natural cleansing system, both at the cellular level and through daily routines. However, how can we genuinely activate autophagy in our daily lives and reap its advantages? Fortunately, it's not as difficult as you may imagine. Let's now examine 3 Japanese strategies for leading a long, healthy life, each backed by leading Japanese researchers. These emphasize nutrition and basic daily routines. Just a brief note, the information in this video is derived from publicly accessible sources and is intended for educational purposes. Make sure to consult your physician if you have any health concerns, because it is not a replacement for expert medical advice. First piece of advice: put Hara Hachi Bu into practice. In order to naturally regulate food intake and promote general health, you should stop eating when you're about 80% full. This Japanese eating concept not only aids in controlling portion sizes, but also guards against overindulging and naturally promotes improved digestion. To put it simply, the lifestyle advice is to practice Hara Hachi Bu, which is to stop eating when you're approximately 80% full, instead of eating until you're fully satisfied. Research on lifespans supports this idea, which is actually derived from Okinawan culture. Hara Hachi Bu has been shown in studies to help people eat consciously, cut calories, and still obtain all the nutrients they need. Additionally, it allows your body the time it needs to initiate autophagy, a natural cell-cleaning mechanism. Your metabolism will be less stressed, and your body will have more time for natural repair if you eat a little less and take longer naps at night. People in Okinawa practically automatically adopt this strategy. Many people in this area live to be over 100 years old, which has made it famous. They typically avoid late-night snacks and consume light dinners, resulting in extended overnight fasts that aid in the body's cleansing process. Japanese physicians also stress the need of a healthy lifestyle for long life. Throughout his career, one of Japan's most renowned doctors, Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara, concentrated on extending people's lives. He personally adhered to these practices and is renowned for continuing to work until he was 105 years old. Because he felt that being active, Dr. Hinohara took a straightforward approach to nutrition. Eat light meals, stay away from processed foods and added sugar, and practice Hara Hachi Bu by stopping when you're around 80% full. This promoted a long, healthy life, in addition to preventing weight gain. He also supported regular walking, using the stairs rather than the elevator, and maintaining an active lifestyle. Dr. Hinohara cautioned against being overly dependent on physicians. He stressed that, in the same way that they manage other facets of life, people should prioritize prevention and assume personal responsibility for their health. He also emphasized the value of continuing education and maintaining curiosity throughout one's life. Dr. Hinohara thought that the best way to deal with suffering and difficulties was to find joy and embrace life's positive moments. His comprehension of human nature was evident in his wisdom. The second piece of advice is that one of the best methods for inducing autophagy is intermittent fasting. What is intermittent fasting then? To put it simply, it means scheduling a time each day when you don't eat, so that your body can transition from food digestion to cell renewal and repair. Inspired by Dr. Yoshinori Ohsumi's studies, a number of Japanese researchers advise fasting for 12 to 16 hours each day, which is comparable to the natural eating habits of older Japanese generations. Without even realizing it, many elderly people prolong the time between dinner and morning, or skip meals, which supports their body's natural processes of rejuvenation and purification. Leading expert in this area, Dr. Takayuki Teruya, investigates the impact of fasting on metabolism. His findings demonstrate that fasting is useful for more than just losing weight. It can increase antioxidant production, accelerate metabolism, and possibly even slow down the aging process. Three important aspects of metabolic activity during fasting are highlighted by Dr. Teruya's research. Fasting boosts the synthesis of molecules that produce energy, stimulates several metabolic pathways, and fortifies antioxidant defenses. In other words, by assisting your body's natural healing systems, fasting can boost your metabolism and enhance general health. According to research, fasting raises antioxidant levels, which aid in the body's defense against harmful free radicals. Fasting may help avoid diseases associated with oxidative stress and perhaps lessen some of the consequences of aging by strengthening the body's natural antioxidant defenses. The third piece of advice is about nutrition. What foods should we consume to increase autophagy? Our dietary choices have a significant influence on maintaining this vital cellular function. A type of modified fasting is suggested as a successful health tactic by Dr. Yumi Ishihara, the head of the Ishihara Clinic in Tokyo and personal physician to the Prime Minister of Japan. He begins each day with a liquid breakfast, such as apple juice or fresh carrot juice. Black tea with black sugar and ginger is used in place of lunch, and there is only one large dinner in the evening. Extended fasting intervals that encourage cellular renewal and trigger autophagy are naturally produced by this schedule. In order to promote longevity and prevent overindulgence, Dr. Ishihara also highlights that modern humans frequently overeat and should adopt habits like Hara Hachi Bu, which involves stopping at 80% fullness. His liquid morning routine is an easy and efficient technique to nourish the body and gradually break a fast. These drinks are full of nutrients that aid in healing and digestion. Rich in beta-carotene and vitamin A, carrot juice helps maintain a mild alkalizing impact on the stomach, supports liver cleansing, and supports healthy skin and eyes. Because of its natural pectin content and plenty of antioxidants like quercetin, apple juice promotes general wellness and aids in the restoration of electrolyte balance. Without taxing the digestive system, these drinks offer mild nourishment. To prevent blood sugar spikes, start with a small portion, about half a glass, and wait 10 to 20 minutes before eating solid food. Adding a small handful of nuts or a teaspoon of olive oil alongside your juice can further moderate sugar absorption and keep energy levels steady. Another excellent drink for supporting autophagy is black tea with black sugar and ginger. This combination offers warmth, nutrition, and a host of health benefits. Black tea is rich in antioxidants that support heart health and metabolism. Black sugar, muscovado, is a natural alternative to processed sugar, providing minerals like iron, calcium, and potassium. Strong anti-inflammatory qualities are added by ginger, which also helps with digestion, enhances circulation, and strengthens the immune system. This drink helps replenish minerals after fasting and provides mild energy before periods of fasting. To optimize the advantages of these behaviors, nutritionists advise limiting daily solid meals to 1 or 2 servings. Whole food nutrition based on plants should be the main focus. When you eat until you're approximately 80% full, take regular breaks from eating and choose fresh, plant-based meals. This natural repair phase reduces inflammation, maintains a healthy metabolism, and fortifies your cells. You have a straightforward strategy for maintaining your health and living a long, healthy life when you combine regular exercise with an inquisitive, optimistic outlook.